Hi there. I wanted to give you a quick reminder that once you are done with your USA test prep assignments, you must go back over into your K12.com system and log that your assignment is done. This is how your teachers will know that you have an assignment out there completed that we need to go grab and capture the score. These two systems do not communicate. It's manual for us. We cannot capture that score unless you hit your submit button, and then we can have an opening in the gradebook to enter that score. So what you do is once you're done with your USA test prep assignment, right now we're working on interims, you will log into your K12.com. To the left, click on classes. My screen will look different because I'm a teacher, so I just have my class loaded. You should see your science, your English, your social studies, your math, any other classes. Make sure to click on math if it's your math class. Okay, this is for any content area. If you have an interim or any type of test, you have to submit it this way. All right, so my screen will look a little different. Okay, I'm going to just push it up a little here. We're going to go to the word content at the top of your screen. Once you click on content, you should see your progress, your grade, any past due assignments, things like that across the top. I do not have that because I'm in my teacher view. So along the side, if you go down to your course schedule and you click on that, you will see that your math interim test number 1 is due. Once you finish that, you'll come down here, and again, I can't click on this because it doesn't go to the same screen that you view. You will want to click on this math interim test number 1. It will pop up another screen. You can simply type the word complete, but you must also hit the word submit. That puts a notification into your teacher system that, hey, I've completed this. Here's my opening spot for my grade. So it opens up your spot for your grade. Then I go out and I look at USA Test Prep and I can pull that grade and put it in. And now we've got the connection to the gradebook. Okay. If you have any questions on this, be sure to reach out to your teachers. I know that different course studies have different tests, but this is the communication between USA Test Prep, back over to K12 system, to the teacher, back to the gradebook. Okay, so now we've come a full circle. I hope this helps you understand, and I will see you later. Thanks. Bye.